primarily documentaries about Singapore. I want to say I'm a magpie, but maybe I call myself a magpie because I'm always going around my surroundings, seeing things people don't see, and then trying to salvage for ourselves, or if not for ourselves, then for other people. And then we try to make something out of these little pieces we have salvaged.
For artist Tan Bin Bin, her work is sited at the Kampong Bahru bus terminal and it's titled Walk Walk. It is a site-specific installation that's made up of 3 components: a video, and an LED text, and also a word sculpture. And all these aspects of her work come together to form an investigation or a look into the present-day use and purpose of the rail corridor as a site for members of the public to just enjoy, whether or not it's as a leisure site for walking, for jogging, or for cycling. And I think that one of the key ways in which we wanted to engage with the site was to really look at how this site is currently being regarded.
This would be the embarkation point or disembarkation point for people who want to take public transport to the start of the rail corridor. So it's actually joined very closely with the rail corridor. It's interesting to think of a bus terminal as the space, because so often with these invisible spaces, they're extremely transitory. And for me, it was really a dream come true to be able to site the work there on several fronts. First of all, I just really liked that space. So there's no reason but the fact that it was just a very, very relaxing space. We converted the Transitlink Office into a cinema, showing a 27-minute video. If walking is a ritual for some of these people, then I wanted to make the parallel theme that actually going to a cinema is also a ritual. And this is a ritual I really want to protect. And what better way to protect that ritual but to let people know that this film is never going to go away after 1 week. You have up to 2 years to see the film.
We spoke about the idea of bringing a gesture into an unexpected space also, right? Like that of the museum. Then of course it highlights the idea of mobility within the a transport system infrastructure network, right?
The whole idea is to think about bringing people here to a place that they wouldn't otherwise go, and from moving forward seeing public transportation nodes in a totally different light. Outside the screening room, the text in this word sculpture echo the themes in the video itself. As people walk through the atrium, I wanted to find a way to animate every step they make in a very rhythmic fashion. Something new reveals, and also bring to attention a space that is traversed thousands by hundreds and thousands of people would never notice these very functional architectural details. When we had gotten an inkling that SBS was interested in Walk Walk, then we decided to see whether they would be interested in the third part of it. So you could say it's a secret art piece, because most people don't know about the canteen. I used the phrase 慢慢走. It's a phrase my grandmother used to me every time I went out the house as a kid. She would say 慢慢行. That was her way of saying take care and be safe. When we use it in a double way like this, it suggests a certain casualness. The whole idea is that a very simple gesture like walking can have extremely profound implications. So people always feel that I know exactly what I'm doing when I start doing it. But actually, for me, it's a process of working that allows me to find out what I'm doing.